Sakalayan Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
All demonic personalities like Pralamba, Denuka, Baka, Keshi, Arishta, Kanura, Mushtika, Kuvalayapida elephant, Kamsa, Yavana, Narakasura and Pondraka, great marshals like Salva, Dvivida monkey and Balvala, Dantavakra, the seven bulls, Shambhara, Vidurath and Rukmi, as also great warriors like Kamboja, Matsya, Kuru, Srinjaya and Kakaya, would all fight vigorously, either with the Lord Hari directly or with him under his names of Baldev, Arjun, Bhim, etc. And the demons, thus being killed, would attain either the impersonal Brahm Jyoti or his personal abode in the Vaikuntha planets. All manifestations in both the material and spiritual worlds are demonstrations of the different potencies of Lord Krishna. The personality of Godhead Baldev is his immediate personal expansion, and Bhim, Arjun, etc. are his personal associates. The Lord would appear, and he does so whenever he appears, with all his associates and potencies. Therefore the rebellious souls, like the demons and demoniac men, mentioned by names like Pralamba, would be killed either by the Lord himself or by his associates. All these affairs will be clearly explained in the 10th canto. But we should know well that all the above-mentioned living entities killed would attain salvation, either by being merged in the Brahm Jyoti of the Lord, or being allowed to enter into the abodes of the Lord called Vaikunthas. This has already been explained by Bhishmadev, 1st canto. All persons who participated in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, or otherwise with the Lord or with Baldev, etc., would benefit by attaining spiritual existence according to the situation of their minds at the time of death. Those who recognized the Lord would enter Vaikuntha, and those who estimated the Lord as only a powerful being would attain salvation by merging into the spiritual existence of the impersonal Brahm Jyoti of the Lord. But every one of them would get release from material existence. Since such is the benefit of those who played with the Lord inimically, one can imagine what would be the position of those who devoutly served the Lord in transcendental relationship with him.